Hi, so here's the mini PC, and right now this mini PC is actually very young. And then I have the graphic card to DisplayPort, then the 4-port graphic card. So right now I'm using this 4-port graphic card for the video wall. Then 2 mini DP to the DP cable, and then to these two video wall controllers here. So the first one and the second one. And this is the front panel. So on the front panel, basically we just use this IR remote control, and we just make a 1x4 video wall. So we just hit the button here and to each of the video processor. And then on the back side of the cable connections, like right now we have two DP. The first DP is input to the first unit, and the second DP to the second unit. And then 4 HDMI outputs from the total. We got 8 HDMI outputs connected to the 8 displays here. As you can see right now, it's actually showing as a 2x4 video wall, and we can just check out the settings here. So basically we need to set up is by the setup Mozart. This is how we setting this 2x2 video wall, and just because this one is the 1x4 and 1x4, then we just have this Mozart setting at this one. You can check out how we get the Mozart settings. We just use the right click on the panel, then we got the NVIDIA control panel. Then we can just do the settings here, and basically we just create a new. So we got the setup Mozart, then they customize this one, then we can finish the settings. So this is how we do the settings. And then on this one, we can just check out the resolutions is 7680 by 2060. This is the resolution of this video wall. And this one we can just use the right click. We got the display settings, then we can check out. This is the resolution of this video wall. And this is the information about this video mini PC. And we can check out it's Windows 10. So this is the PC information, and this is the storage part. Okay, so now we just have this one as a maximum size of the on this video wall, and we can check it out. So basically right now we can have this one is showing as a one large image. Basically we can check out the information, the fonts on the video is actually not stretched. Oh, I'll see that. And now I'm going to just showing the desktop. Okay, so basically this is the 4K video wall, and it's showing as a pixel-to-pixel display. Let's try to open a browser, make it as a maximum size. Okay. Okay, thank you. This is how we have the settings for this mini PC to showing up a 2x4 4K 8K video processor. Okay, thank you.